Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another skating video. We're going to be working on the double flip, and if you're just starting out in general with flips, please revert to my single flip video that will share even more tips that might help you here. So let's get to it. So first we're going to start off with a single flip, single loop combo, and this is great for working on your quickness and more explosive takeoffs, and staying on the right side in the rotation and making sure that you even stay there for the landing, so you're always in balance. So you really want to make sure that you are in your knee before you go into the jump, and then you bend your knee, taking off, stretching the leg, and same thing for the loop combos. Next tip is basically the same thing, except on the last loop we're going to do a back rotation or back scratch at the end and then exit. So same things apply here. You want to be deep in your skating knee, and then when you jump off you want to make sure that you're stretching fully from your leg, and then once you hit the rotation you really want to make sure that your legs are nice and tight, your body is straight, so your hips are not sticking out, nothing, it's in a straight line, keeping yourself to the right, and if you jump the other way, to the left. And what I mean about staying to the right is that the force is pushing you out. So if you let your shoulders go out, they're gonna fall to the left. So you wanna make sure that you're staying straight by kind of staying right. Not totally right, obviously, but just a little bit. So next exercise is a single flip, half loop, single flip. This exercise also works on quickness, and it's great for balance and just kind of learning to be prepared at any moment. You want to make sure that your hips and your shoulders are in line, that you're stretching off from the jumping leg, and that you're holding your body up in the rotation. And last thing, after the half loop, you want to make sure that you're stretching enough with your arms and everything as you would with a normal single flip. So for the double flip, you obviously want to make sure that you have much more speed than you would for a single flip, and you want to be quicker with the rotation. At first it's a bit weird when you first started and you might feel like totally out of balance, but if you keep trying, and especially doing double rotations off of the ice and on the ground, it will get better and better. All the same things apply here. You want to be deep in your skating knee, you want to stretch off from the jumping leg, and then you want to make sure that you're on the right side in the rotation, not falling to the left or anywhere, and you want to make sure that you're much tighter, that your legs are super tight for the jump, and that you do a nice exit, of course. And then of course in the future you can try different arm variations, like one arm up or two arms up, but definitely take it slow, step by step. And if you guys are interested, I definitely can make a video on arm variations. I would be happy to do that. Let me know by liking this video and commenting. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked that video. Let me know if you want to see more skating videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!